This video provides more information about the IDS2378 Foundations of Interdisciplinary Knowledge and Inquiry course, a general education creative thinking class at the University of South Florida. What is this class about? This freshman-only course provides an overview of 5 major domains of knowledge and inquiry. We will be studying science, technology, engineering, and math, social sciences, health professions, business and communications, and humanities and arts. Through applied critical thinking, students in this course will examine social problems through the lenses of these major disciplinary domains, preparing students to engage in collaborative interdisciplinary problem solving. In this class, we will cover topics including critical and creative thinking processes, information literacy, exploring academic disciplines, integrating knowledge from a variety of academic disciplines, evaluating the role of competing interdisciplinary variables, collaborative problem solving, and building interdisciplinary competence for out-of-class and in-class experiences. What will this class be like? Each discipline has its own way of knowing and its own way of looking at the world. In this class, you will learn a bit about different disciplinary approaches, and then you'll use that information to understand and explain real-world problems or issues. Working collaboratively with your classmates, you will integrate your knowledge in order to create new innovations or approaches. You'll practice critical thinking. You'll be exposed to different disciplines to compare and contrast. You'll participate in class discussions and interactive activities. You'll work with your peers, developing your communication and problem-solving skills. You'll work on your writing skills in different types of assignments too. You'll practice finding and using scholarly sources to gather information about a problem. And you'll get to know a variety of academic disciplines and USF faculty, which can help you to make exciting connections, choose an academic major, plan for gaining experience outside of the classroom, and considering your future career plans. Why should I take IDS2378 Foundations of Interdisciplinary Knowledge and Inquiry? One of the best reasons to take this class is for the critical thinking skills you will learn. Employers consistently report that critical thinking is one of the top skills that they look for in college graduates. In this class, you'll be preparing for your future career by practicing to think creatively and approach problems from different perspectives. There are some other good reasons to take this class too. A small class. It's a unique chance to be in a class with other first-year students in a small classroom setting. We only have 19 students. Get to know USF. You'll have the opportunity to learn about the features of a research university and consider how to maximize your experiences as a student. Study skills. You'll employ active reading and note-taking strategies, skills you can use in this class and other classes too. Save money. We have no textbook to buy for this class. The U-Decide ECM class for exploratory students will help you learn about USF majors, discover possible career pathways, meet with academic advisors, compare academic disciplines, and explore your options for your major and possible future careers. In the ECM class, you will practice researching majors and occupations, complete and appropriately process career assessments, identify personal interest, skills, and values that inform career decision-making. You'll strategize ways to gain career-related experiences, and you'll understand how to find information about degree requirements and major pathways. The goal for this class is not to choose a major. Rather, the goals are to learn about ourselves and learn what options you have for majors and careers. We want to equip you to make informed decisions about majors and careers by using your own critical thinking skills. Throughout your life, you'll have to make decisions about what path to follow in your professional life. We hope that the career decision-making skills you learn in U-Decide will help you now and in the future.